In this video, you will learn how to change LLC address in Michigan. To change your LLC address in Michigan, you need to file the right form with LARA, the state's Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. If you are changing your LLC's principal business or mailing address, you file a Certificate of Amendment, which is Form CSCL/CD 715. This updates the Articles of Organization with your new address. If you are changing only the registered agent or registered office address, you file a Certificate of Change of Registered Office Resident Agent, which is Form CSCL/CD 520. Both forms can be filed online through LARA's Corporation's online filing system, by mail to LARA's Corporations Division in Lansing, or in person at their Lansing office. The filing fee is usually $25. Standard processing takes 3 to 5 business days, but you can pay extra for expedited service. After that, if your IRS records show the old address, you file Form 8822B to update it. You also need to tell your registered agent, update any state or local licenses or permits, notify your bank, insurance, payroll providers, and make sure vendors and clients have the right address. This way, everything stays consistent across state, federal, and business records. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.